Hi B, my name is Jessica. Thank you for taking time out of your day to watch this video. I'm going to go over a few tips on how you can improve your web presence on your own. These are some of the same things that I do for my clients. The first tip I have for you is about content. Google prefers at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be optimized, and this does include the words your images are saved as. Also, use your content to work in the keywords you would like to be found for. So if you want to be found for fencing company, Raleigh, North Carolina, you would want to fit that exact phrase into your content somewhere on your this front page here. Okay? Now you have images and links to interact with. You've got things that make your company credible, and you've got a little bit of information here. So far this is a good start to your homepage. It has a nice layout. I still suggest getting more information on your website to build up the amount of words that you have. What it does is it tells Google that you're more likely to be able to answer questions that its searchers have. Okay? The next tip I have for you is about citations. Citations are merely business listings in directories. And you want to have your business information, your name, address, and phone number, as it appears in Google, listed in as many relevant directories as possible. A few examples of directories would be Yelp, the Yellow Pages, and the Better Business Bureau. Now these are paid directories, but there are plenty of free directories available. These are relevant to the map section here. So, to be ranked in this section, which you are, and that's awesome, you have to have your business listed in more directories than your competitors. So keep that in mind. If you ever drop from this section, that means your competitors are actively adding their business information to directory listings, and you need to get your business in more. Okay? It's a competition. You have to look at it in that way. You're competing with these other businesses for these spots. The last tip I have for you is about backlinks. Backlinks will give your website trust and power from Google. It's also known as authority, and they are what push your website to the top of the search results in the organic section. A backlink is when your website is referenced on another website. So if I scroll down, I can see the organic section here. And Seeger's Fence has the #1 spot on the first page. And this is typically the spot that most businesses are competing for. Because as we know, people are lazy, and when they're searching, they're going to automatically click on this first company. Okay? And if this first company provides the service they're looking for, then they go with that company. And none of these other guys here even got a chance. So ideally, you would want to be here. So a backlink is just when your website is referenced on another website. You can think of it like networking. You want your website being talked about on as many other websites as you can. What that does is it tells Google that you're trustworthy and that you're legitimate as a website and company. Also know that backlinks are not created equal. You can get free backlinks. Typically, those backlinks do not provide power to your website though, and can be a waste of effort. Now, when you get backlinks from trusted sources, trusted websites on Google, you do typically have to pay for them. So just be aware of that. And I want to show you an overview in a tool that I use called Ahrefs. And when I plugged your website in, it gives me a little snapshot of your data here. This is just for reference. It's not 100% accurate. And that's only because it doesn't pull your data all the time. So it was accurate at the time that it checked your data. Excuse me. So you have 186 backlinks across the 31 different websites, and you're being found for 30 keywords. I can also see that you're paying for ads. This means pay per click. With this information, the tool assumes you're only getting 2 visitors to your website a month. Now, if I look at a competitor, Seeger's Fence, they have almost 6,500 backlinks across 716 websites, and they're being found for 4,800 keywords. They are also paying for ads. And as you can see, this tool is assuming they're getting almost 4,000 visitors a month to their website. Excuse me. The point of me showing you this is that you can see the more you build up your website, the back end of your website, the higher your traffic is going to be, okay? So if you're looking for more business or you want to expand to new areas, I highly recommend that you start working on those things. So again, it was content, citations, and backlinks. And if you have questions, you can reach out. My name is Jessica, and my phone number is 919-737-2238. Thank you.